Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever lost an important file because of an accidental delete, drive format, or sudden system crash? If yes, don't panic, this happens more often than you think, and there is a simple solution. In today's video, I'm going to show you 4DDIG data recovery software, a powerful tool that allows you to recover up to 2 gigabytes of lost data, whether your files are missing from the recycle bin, local drive, external hard disk, USB, or even after a system failure. This software can help recover them. 4DDIG stands out because of its clean interface, quick scanning process, and support for more than 2,000 file types, making it easy to use even for beginners with no technical experience. So if you're searching for a reliable and user-friendly data recovery solution, this video is exactly what you need. Now, let's move ahead and download 4DDIG data recovery software. After the download is complete, open the setup file and click Install to begin. Now that the software is ready, let's move forward and explore how it works step by step. On the left-hand side, you'll notice several recovery options, each created for a specific type of data loss. Starting with data recovery, the most commonly used option here is hard drive. This option is used to recover files from local disks, SSDs, external hard drives, and USB flash drives. If your data was accidentally deleted, the drive was formatted, or files were lost because of a system problem, this is usually the option you'll select. Next, we have SD card recovery. This is designed specifically for memory cards used in devices like cameras, drones, and smartphones. After that comes camera recovery. This option is ideal if you've lost photos or videos from a DSLR, digital camera, or action camera. Now let's move to advanced recovery options. Here you'll find cloud drive recovery, which helps restore data synced with supported cloud storage platforms. Below that is crashed PC recovery, a very useful feature when your computer fails to boot but you still need access to your important files. At the bottom, you'll see utility tools. The file repair feature helps fix corrupted or damaged photos, videos, and documents after recovery. And lastly, Toolbox offers extra tools for advanced recovery and file management. So based on where your data was lost, simply choose the appropriate option from the left panel and proceed. Now, let's move ahead and begin scanning the drive to recover our files. Let's get started. First, I open this PC and locate the drive where my data was originally stored. After opening the drive, I go into the folder that contained my important data. As you can see, this folder had multiple file types, including videos, images, documents, and PDF files. Now, I select these files, and to demonstrate the recovery process, I delete them. You'll notice that the files are completely removed and are not available in the recycle bin either. Next, I switch back to 4DDIG data recovery software to restore them. Here, I click on Select Folder and choose the exact folder where my data was previously stored. After confirming the folder, I move to the next step. Now, the software asks me to choose the types of files I want to recover. Based on my needs, I select photos, videos, documents, and audio files. Once that's done, I click on Scan Selected File Types, and the scanning process begins. After a short while, the scan is completed, and all the recoverable files appear on the screen. I can browse through the folder structure, check file locations, and even preview files to confirm they're the correct ones. Now, I simply select the files I want back and click on the Recover button. The software then asks me to choose a safe location to save the recovered data. I select a different drive to avoid overwriting anything and click Save Now. As you can see, the recovery process starts immediately, and the files are restored one by one. Once the process is finished, the recovered folder opens automatically. Here you can see all my files, images, videos, documents, and PDFs. Successfully restored without any issues. And that's it. My deleted data has been fully recovered. So as you can see, Tenorshare 4D DIG data recovery makes the entire recovery process simple and stress-free. If you ever lose important photos, videos, or documents, this tool can be a real lifesaver. I've added the official download link in the description below. Make sure to check it out. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more useful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.